arbitrationagreements.org. Welcome to the intriguing world of construction mediators. They are key players in alternative dispute resolution, a mechanism designed to alleviate courtroom congestion and achieve more satisfactory outcomes for all parties involved. Before we continue, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you save time and money. Now imagine you're working on a multi-million-dollar construction project. A dispute arises over some aspect of the work, halting progress. Traditional litigation could mean years of delay and astronomical costs. Enter the construction mediator. Construction mediators are specialists in both the legal aspects of construction and the art of negotiation. They facilitate communication between disputing parties, helping them reach an agreement and move forward with the project. According to a recent survey, around 80% of mediations resulted in a resolution. This reflects the efficacy of mediation in not only resolving disputes but also preserving relationships. The mediator does not make decisions. They guide the disputing parties to find common ground, fostering an environment for constructive discussion. They help each side understand the other's perspective and goals. And, ultimately, they facilitate an agreement that is crafted by the parties themselves. In the realm of construction, disputes can arise over a multitude of issues. Delays, costs, work quality, contract interpretation, to name just a few. Mediation is also flexible. It can be tailored to suit the needs and constraints of the parties involved. It is also confidential, which can be invaluable in maintaining reputations in a competitive industry. The role of a construction mediator is not an easy one. They must have a keen understanding of construction and law, strong communication skills, and the ability to handle high-stress situations. But their work can save time, money, and relationships, making them a crucial player in the world of alternative dispute resolution. To access a world-class roster of construction mediators, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that, give us a call. Also, what is your opinion on mediation? What interests you the most about it? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you succeed.